Welcome. Today we are diving into the world of data synthesis. Specifically, we will look at how artificial intelligence is used to generate training data for machine learning models. This is a crucial topic as the demand for high-quality data continues to grow. So, what exactly is synthetic data? Simply put, it is information that is artificially generated rather than produced by real-world events. It mimics the statistical properties of real data, meaning it looks and acts like real data, but it contains no actual user information. Think of it as a highly realistic simulation designed to train AI models safely. Why do we need synthetic data? There are three main drivers. First is privacy. We can avoid using sensitive personal information, like medical records, while still maintaining useful patterns. Second is scarcity. It allows us to generate data for rare events that are hard to capture in real life. And third is bias reduction. We can intentionally create balanced datasets to ensure AI models treat all groups fairly. The creation process involves 3 steps. First, an AI model analyzes real data to learn its patterns and structure. Second, we train a generative model to understand these probability distributions. Finally, the model generates new data points. Common architectures used here include Generative Adversarial Networks, or GANs, and Diffusion models. Synthetic data comes in many forms. We have text data, like chat logs for training language models. We have image and video data for computer vision tasks. We have tabular data, which are spreadsheets of financial or demographic info. And we even have audio and voice data for speech processing systems. In the healthcare sector, synthetic data is a game changer. It allows hospitals to share patient records with researchers without violating privacy laws like HIPAA. It also enables the modeling of rare diseases where real patient data is too scarce to effectively train diagnostic tools. For autonomous driving, cars are trained in virtual synthetic worlds. This allows them to drive millions of miles in simulation. Developers can simulate edge cases, like blizzards or dangerous accidents, to train the car's safety systems without putting anyone at actual risk. The benefits are significant. Speed is a major factor. We can generate massive datasets in hours instead of months. It is also cost-efficient, saving money on manual data collection and labeling. Plus, it offers control, allowing engineers to customize data to fit exact specifications. However, there are challenges. Data quality is paramount. If the synthetic data isn't realistic, the model will fail. There is also the risk of bias amplification, where the generator accidentally exaggerates existing biases. And sometimes, models hallucinate, creating nonsensical data that can confuse training. In conclusion, synthetic data is effectively bridging the gap between data scarcity and our AI ambitions. As generative technologies improve, the line between real and synthetic will blur, powering the next generation of intelligent, privacy-preserving systems. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.